हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल प्रियदर्शनी टॉक्स। प्रियदर्शनी टॉक्स में मैं प्रियंका आपका फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। होप यू आर फाइन एंड फुल ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस। सो टुडे आल्सो आई एम हियर फॉर अ रिव्यू वीडियो ऑफ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अनारकली kurta. Yes, this is again a very beautiful anarkali kurta which is going to be from the brand which I am reviewing for the very first time on my channel, that is Ahika brand का ये black color का कुर्ता again I have picked for you all for the review, and this kurta is again in pure cotton fabric. So you all must be knowing about cottons. Cottons are the utmost comfortable fabric, breathable fabric, the fabric which absorbs the sweat in it. So you are, I mean, it's a must for all seasons, I must say. And the color black, I don't have to say anything about the color black because black is the favorite color of many of us. It makes us more slimmer than we are. Actually we are. I mean, when I sum up, I must say that it makes us look in shape. It makes us look shades lighter than we are. So let's get started with this beautiful black color anarkali kurta from the brand Ahika. But before starting this, let me tell you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, what you have to do is just subscribe, press the red color subscribe icon right here, and do not forget to press the bell icon too, so that you can remain notified with all the upcoming videos, posts, etc. from my channel. So this kurta which I have picked for you is at most budget friendly. आप सभी जानते हैं कि ज़्यादातर कुर्ते, ज़्यादातर प्रोडक्ट्स जो मेरे चैनल पे मैं रिव्यू के लिए पिक करती हूँ वो सारे के सारे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होते हैं। ऐसे नहीं होते हैं कि कुछ लोग उनको ना खरीद पाएँ। आपको जब वो प्रोडक्ट पसंद आते हैं तो आप डेफिनेटली उनको खरीद सके, ऐसे बजट में मैं प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर ज़्यादातर आने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और उन्हीं में से एक ये कुर्ता होने वाला है जो कि 1176, या आई हैव बॉट इट एट 1176 rupees. So it's right now also available at Myntra. You can check it for yourself if you love this kurta. I mean, link is given in the description. This is a beautiful kurta from Ahika which I am talking about. So it's in the color black and white. White color की something printing सी इसमें की गई है. Let's open it. Feel it. I mean, look wise it looks very nice. So this is the kurta which I was talking about. The collar, as you can see, is again a mandarin collar which I love the most on myself, and I am sure कि जो भी मेरी body types की जो भी लड़कियां होती होंगी, जो भी ladies होंगी, उनको mandarin collar बहुत अच्छा उन पर लगता होगा, क्योंकि mandarin collar just defines your personality. एक आपको इनफॉर्मल अच्छा सा लुक देती है मैंडरिन कॉलर, आपके नेक को लॉन्ग लगाती है और आपके पूरे पर्सनालिटी को अलग ही डेफिनेशन देती है. सो दिस इज द कुर्ता विच हैज मैंडरिन कॉलर. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैब्रिक, आई डोंट नीड टू टॉक अबाउट द फैब्रिक दैट मच बिकॉज इट्स प्योर कॉटन एंड इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट. सो ड्यू टू इट्स I mean nature, pure cotton has a very soft nature. We all know about this. Definitely the kurta is very soft. Now you will get a 3/4 sleeves with this kurta. So इसमें आपको ऐसी 3/4 sleeves मिल जाएंगी. Now आप देख सकते हैं पूरे कुर्ते में ऐसी आपको printing मिल जाती है. So the thing which you get here, the print which you get here is not a khari print or a foil print or any other type of printing which is done above the kurta, so that many of the prints goes out when we wash the kurta by first or second time. All the print usually they go out, but this is the print which is done on the cloth itself, so it's not going to fade away. So this is the whole kurta. The upper portion of the kurta looks something like this. You have got a button, you have got hooks. I think, it has got only one hook here so that you can open it and then you can wear it easily. Now बस्ट एरिया तक आपको कुछ ऐसी प्रिंटिंग इस कुर्ते में मिल जाती है, एंड दीज स्मॉल डिटेलिंग्स आर गिवन इन दिस कुर्ता. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द lower section of the kurta. The lower section of the kurta has got this kind of printing on it, be it in the front or at the back side. Both the sides में आप printing equally पाएंगे. Same type of printing is done on both the sides of the kurta. Now this kurta is a floor length kurta, so you need not worry about wearing a bottom, about pairing this kurta with a bottom. But if you like, you can pair it with a nice black color churidar with this kurta. So this is the kurta which goes till floor length, as I told you. Now the bottom part of the kurta has same printing as you get in the sleeve. So basically this kurta is all about printing and printing, be it in the front or at the back side. You don't get any type of embroidery, any type of sequence work in it, so that it makes the kurta very gaudy, very blinky. But this again makes the kurta very simple yet elegant and classy at the same time. This is a very classy kurta. You wear it, when you wear it, you will fetch lots and lots of compliments, I know it. So talking about the lining of the kurta, when I come to lining of the kurta has got no lining in it, so it's a little bit of a see-through. As cotton tends to be a little bit of see-through, cotton को आप ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं पाइएगा. जब भी cotton's fabric आप देखेंगे, pure cotton fabric, they'll be a little bit see-through. ज़्यादा see-through नहीं, but थोड़े से वो पारदर्शी होते हैं. So you can team it up with a nice चूड़ीदार or a nice leggings and or for that matter a nice palazzo, any kind of bottom of your wish, of your choice. अगर आप इसको team up करें, it will look very nice, very beautiful. It will make you look very nice, very elegant and very decent. So it will give you a perfect Indian look. Just team it up with a nice bottom of your choice and team it up with a nice pair of footwear and nice chunky pair of earrings. अगर आपके पास बोहेमियन इयररिंग्स हैं, अगर आपके पास सिल्वर इयररिंग है, तो उनके साथ आप ज़रूर इसको टीम अप कर सकते हैं. एंड इट विल गिव यू अ रियली अ वेरी नाइस एंड क्लासी लुक. So overall, I am in love with this kurta. I am going to include, of course, this kurta in my wardrobe. If you like this kurta for yourself, you can surely buy it for yourself. Now talking about the waist line of the kurta, the waist area of the kurta has got pleats all over it in the front or at the back side. Both the sides pleats are included. It has very small pleats. You can see here it has got very small pleats. So the pleats over here are present to, if you have any bulge in your stomach, if you have a bulging stomach, थोड़ी भी अगर आपके टमी एरिया में फैट है, तो बेसिकली ये जो प्लीट्स होते हैं ना, ये उनको कवर अप कर देते हैं. दे मेक यू लुक, दे मेक योर टमी लुक स्लिम. सो फैट ये दिखने नहीं देते हैं आपके टमी पे. इन प्लीट्स के कारण आपके बल्जेस, जो एक्स्ट्रा बल्जेस हैं, वो ढके हुए रहते हैं और इस कारण ही आप बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. वैसे भी अनारकलीज में अगर जो लोग थोड़े से चबियर साइड पे होते हैं, जो लेडीज़, जो गर्ल्स चबियर साइड पे होते हैं, तो अनारकली डेफिनेटली हाइड्स ऑल योर फ्लॉज. दे हाइड योर extra fats, your extra curves, and they make you look very nice. They make you look in shape. So this is the reason the pleats are given here, and the pleats are of course given for a good flare. So this kurta also has a good flare. I am showing the flare of this kurta. I am trying to show you from this side. You can see the flare of the kurta. You can see how parted my hands are again. 1, this one is 2, and this one is going to be 3. So it has got a nice decent flare, and this kurta is appropriate if you wear them for any college fetes, if you wear them to your offices, if you wear them to any formal, informal parties or anywhere you go to, you can wear this kurta for yourself. And if you want to, you can team this kurta up with a nice dupatta, and it will again give you a good look. But agar talking about me, I'll personally go team this kurta up with a nice churidar without any dupatta. It will also give you a decent look. So you can definitely go with the kurta. The link of this kurta, the buying link of this kurta is given in the description box. All you have to do is to click the link, and then you will be redirected to my haul store. Now in my haul store, when you get the pic of this particular kurta, you just have to click on the picture and you will be redirected to Myntra. तो Myntra पर जाके आप इसके description को अच्छे से अपने लिए पढ़ सकते हैं. You can zoom the picture of this particular kurta and see it for yourself, and when you are satisfied with the product, you can buy it for yourself if you want to. So this is definitely a must buy from my side. I vouch for this kurta. You can buy this kurta for yourself. It is very nice, it is very lightweight, it is very soft and flowy fabric. So now talking about the care of this kurta, you don't need to to worry about how to care about this kurta. You just have to hand wash it. No machine wash, no dry cleaning is definitely needed in this kurta. You just have to hand wash it and you just have to iron it after hand washing, and it will be ready. You will be ready to flaunt this kurta anywhere you go. So just do not forget to iron it, cause cotton always, we all know that cotton tends to they get crushed very easily. They tend to get crushed very easily. So you just have to make sure that you iron it after every wash, and they'll be ready for you, and they'll fetch compliments for you wherever you wear them, whenever you wear them. That is all in Priyadarshini Talks. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like this kurta, and if you have really liked the video, just do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to go without subscribing my channel. That was all for today. Take care, bye bye, love you all, God bless. Keep smiling, keep shining, and keep shopping for yourself. The link of the kurta is given in the description box. Do not forget to click the link. Bye bye, take care, love you all.